welcome back to the channel. And I have something fun for you. It's another kitchen hack. Have you ever found yourself in a bind like I find myself in a bind? Almost all the time. Well, I'm going to show you a hack for the food saver bags. You know those food saver bags where you have to suck the life out of it, you know? You know, that kind of thing? Those bags, that's what these are. And they're very expensive. Even for the knockoff brand, they seem like they're expensive. The bag up close and how it has these ridges. Well, these ridges perforate on the inside, so it creates like a little air pocket. And so that is what it needs to suck things out. And those little air pockets act almost like a straw to keep the bag open just enough for it to suck the air out and seal it. Well, that's what we're gonna do with our freezer bag. Okay, you can buy 300 of these for $10. And you can buy 300 of those for about 100. So let's try this. You're gonna need a pair of scissors and a freezer bag and your contents, whatever needs to go in there. So let's see what you do. And remember how I was showing you on the other bag about the little ridges that were inside? Well, that's what we need to fabricate. Okay, just a piece from the top of the seal. That's all I want. Make sure that it doesn't fall down into the bag past where you're going to seal. Okay? Now watch this. And I have to say that it's good to go until you can get some new bags. This will get you over in a bind.